This is a presentation that I have made on AI, and you can create one by watching this video, and I will show you the process of how you can make one. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can generate a presentation on AI. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. First, you have to search for tom.app on Google, and then you will land on this site where you have to sign in first. I will come back once I'm done with signing in. Here you can see that we have two options. We can sign in with our Apple ID or Google ID. I will be back once I'm done with signing in. Now that I have signed into my app, I will start with my presentation. You can select a title that they have to call you, and now you have to select that what are you making this video for. I will click creator and then I will process ahead. After that, you will land over here, and here you have to create your workspace. I will be clicking demo that I have already chosen for something else, and then I will continue to workspace. You can choose anything that you want to write. Here you have two options, basic and pro. The pro one is paid, so we will ignore that and go with the basic one because we are generating free presentation on AI. Then you have to click this button and then you have to continue. Here you will land on this site. Here you can see that you have many options, but you have to click on the top right corner that says create, and after you click this button you can see that you will land here. Here you have many options again, but you have to create a presentation, so you will click create presentation and then process ahead. Now you will write a topic over here, the topic that you want your presentation on. For example, I am writing Google. Now you can see that it generates topics and titles for me. I can add my own title or subtract any title that I don't like by using minus and plus. And now you can see that I will click continue. After I click continue, they will create a presentation for me. It will take a little bit time in generating, and then after it is generated, your presentation will be ready to be presented. Now you can see that my presentation is already generated and it is created. You can see how beautiful presentation they have made for me. I hope you liked this process and understood it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.